Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists have documented the first recorded instance of a Burmese python attacking and consuming a reticulated python. This extraordinary encounter took place in Bangladesh in 2020 and was published in the journal Reptiles and Amphibians. The unusual event involved a 10-foot-long Burmese python coiling around the tail of a larger, reticulated python, ultimately devouring it alive over a period of 2 hours. While both species typically prey on smaller animals such as mammals, lizards, and birds, the reason behind this unusual predation remains unclear. Researchers speculate that it may have been a territorial dispute, with one snake choosing to consume the other as a means of asserting dominance. This remarkable observation highlights the complex dynamics within snake populations and underscores the importance of continued research into these fascinating creatures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.